In today's video, I'll show you how to use Timeline View in Asana. Timeline gives you a Gantt-style horizontal view of your project, laying your tasks out across a calendar so you can see how everything fits together over time. It's ideal for spotting overlaps and planning schedules. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. To switch into this view, look at the tabs beneath the project name and click the one labeled Timeline. I'll click on Timeline now. And here's the magic. Your project stretches out along a horizontal calendar. Each task becomes a colored bar, and its position and length show exactly when it starts and when it's due. You can instantly see which tasks run in parallel and which ones follow each other. Notice the dates running along the top and the tasks stacked down the left side, grouped by their sections. There's even a marker showing today, so you always know where you stand against your schedule. Now here's what makes Timeline so useful for planning. You can grab any taskbar and drag it left or right to reschedule it, or drag its edges to make it longer or shorter. If tasks depend on each other, Asana can even draw connecting lines between them, so you can see your project's critical path at a glance. Up in the top right, you'll find zoom controls. You can zoom out to see months at a time for the big picture, or zoom in to focus on a single busy week in detail. And that Today button snaps you right back to the current date whenever you've scrolled away. So to recap, open your project, click the Timeline tab, and you'll see your tasks laid out across a calendar, ready to drag, reschedule, and zoom. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.